Hey, it's Ned. Welcome to TAGTUTORS, where I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to ace and explain GCSE question. This applies for all specifications: AQA, Edexcel, OCR, doesn't matter. Get a pen, a paper, and listen. Cell division processes are used to produce body cells and gametes. Figure 9 shows the development of a human embryo from a fertilized egg. One cell, mitosis, many cells, embryo. Explain how many cells are produced from one fertilized egg after 2 cell divisions by mitosis. Step 1. How many marks is the question worth? 2 marks. I need to make 2 points for a mark each. Step 2. The command word is explain. Explain means give a reason. Step 3. What do I know about mitosis and cell division? I know that mitosis, one cell divides to form 2 cells. So I would write one cell produces 2 daughter cells during mitosis. But the question wants to know after 2 divisions. So number 2, after 2 division, one cell produces 4 cells. 1 mark here, 1 mark here. Which process occurs causing the divided cells to become specialized? The answer would be differentiation. Answer the question with a cross in the box you think is correct. Figure 1 shows a cell from an onion root tip. The cell is dividing by mitosis. Which structure is labeled Z? Z in the image would be the chromosome. Mitosis produces new cells. Give 2 reasons why mitosis is important in living things. Step 1. How many marks is it what? This is what 2 marks. So I need 2 bullet points, which I can see here, 1 and 2. And what does the command word mean? Command word here is give. Give the facts. What facts do I know about why mitosis is important in living things? Just like we did in the previous video, it's important for 2 things: growth, repair, and reproduction. Cell growth. Next one, cell repair. Or I can write tissue or organ repair. If you have found this video useful, please like and leave a comment. Subscribe and share with your friends. The aim of the video is to help you. Until next time.